Hello friends, I am Anjali and welcome to my YouTube channel Teen Guru. So today is a very crafty video because today I am going to make a paper mache. I think many of you get paper mache for holiday homework. So today I am going to show you how I make my paper mache for my holiday homework. So let's go. So first decide what you want to make. I searched everywhere and at last found my ideal model in Pinterest. I will make a hot air balloon on the top of which will sit two birds and in the basket will be some eggs. For that I need multani mitti, balloons, newspaper and some water. Here first I am tearing the papers and soaking it in water, and after that I will put multani mitti on the balloon and paste the papers. So I think it's ready. Look what I did to my hand. Actually, multani mitti is very good for our skin, so it is a benefit. I will keep it to dry for minimum 24 hours. Till then we will make the bird. So to make the bird, I will need sellotape, dry paper, wet paper and multani mitti. First I will make these type of balls with dry paper and sellotape it. We will give it a shape like this. And after that, we will cover it with multani mitti and wet paper. After using multani mitti and wet paper, it will look like this. We will let it dry for same 24 hours and then color it. Now we will make the basket. To make the basket, I will use these jute strings and a glass. I will wrap this jute string on the glass and make the basket. After that, I will use multani mitti to strengthen the basket. First I am using sellotape to stick the jute string. Now I am using multani mitti here to strengthen the basket. So it is ready. Let dry all of them together. I will show you how it looks after drying, and I will also show you what are the next steps. Meet you tomorrow. Welcome back. It's all I've dried the next day. These two eggs I made yesterday just. Then these birds have dried. Balloon, harder than before. The basket, I think it will come out now. Yes, it's so beautiful. Now I will blow the balloon out. Hope it comes out perfectly. This is very nice. Now this is time to paint them all. First I am starting with the eggs because they will be small and easy to paint. I am using acrylic colors here. I will be painting different colors to make it look colorful. Now this is how it looks after painting the boat. Now I am cutting the jute string into 4 pieces to tie it in the balloon. बोलना चाहिए था ना। पहले बोलना चाहिए था।